Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Chevy Spark hood. First, find the hood release lever inside your car. It's usually on the driver's side, down by the floorboard, often marked with a car icon and an open hood. Give that lever a firm pull towards you. You'll hear a click, indicating the primary latch has released. Now, head to the front of your Spark. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You'll feel for a small secondary safety latch or lever. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open accidentally while driving. Push or pull this latch to fully release the hood. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your Spark smelling great. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood completely open. Look for the metal prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Unclip it and firmly insert the end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work, preventing any accidental closures. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole and clip it back into its storage position under the hood. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot above the closed position. From there, let gravity do the work. Give it a firm but gentle push down to engage both latches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.